This is Brain Buffet. Do we have this connection secure? Good. We have a mission for you. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to master Photoshop, the world's most powerful creative weapon. As you know, almost anything can be done in Photoshop. It allows for endless creative possibilities. It is too dangerous to navigate alone. That's why we've assembled an elite unit of specialists, a dream team of experts, each one with a unique set of skills, each one ready to guide you. You won't just watch, you'll be in the field, hands-on, project-based. Together, they'll train you to edit, retouch, compose, manipulate, and unleash the full power of generative AI. Your assignments? Box office ready posters, cinematic landscapes, dreamlike designs, a tour poster for your portfolio. Complete them and you'll be ready for the Adobe Certified Professional exam, an industry credential that proves you're mission ready. This is not for bystanders. This is for creators, explorers, heroes in the making. So, agent, are you in? Because these pixels will self-destruct in 3, 2, 1.